All right, Brandon back from Custom Speaker Pods. Today we're going to do a quick installation for the new 2014 to 2018 Toyota Tundra. Someone in the comments told me Toyota Tundra pods look like trash. All right, fine. I remade them for you. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to install speakers. We're going to install the speakers using our new speaker installation kit. In order to do that, you need not only a speaker installation kit, you're going to need a drill with some sort of pilot drill bit, and then some channel lock pliers as well as a marker. Let's get started. All right, so we've already test fit our speaker pod on the door panel in the car. We're going to install the speaker hardware before we install the pod on the door itself. So let's do it. So I guess we will start out with the tweeters, since those are probably the most problematic, especially these DS18 Pro-TWX, since they got them little ears on it. So one thing we can do is, if we know you're installing the Pro-TWX or any tweeter with the ear on it, we can kind of help you out and get some little notches done for you. But since I didn't do that on this one, we're going to go ahead and just put a little notch right there using our Dremel with a sanding drum on it. Put two little dimples in there like that. See if that was enough. Very carefully, you can bend these tabs in, feed the capacitor through, and just like that, we're ready to go. So determine how you want the speakers to be situated on the speaker pod. And go ahead and center that up. And then we are going to mark the center points of the mounting holes. Wiggle her out of there. We'll go ahead and grab one of these woofers too. DS18 PRO-X red tip. Get that in there, centered up. Mark these holes as well. 1, 2. Now, using a drill bit, typically I like to use a smaller drill bit for pre-drilling the holes to make sure I get it in the right spot, because you don't want the drill bit to walk. So this one here is a brad point. It's a very nice location because it's got a very sharp tip. All right, now with all the holes located, we'll go ahead and break out our kit. So inside the kit, receive the right size drill bit for the holes for the new brass inserts. These brass inserts are going to be installed in the speaker pod, so that way it is a threaded brass insert, so you can install the speakers and the pod last. You can install the speaker pod onto the door, install the door plus speaker pod into the car, and then install the speakers last. So we get the right size drill bit, we get the brass inserts as well as some mounting hardware, plus a nylon bushing in order to help press them in place. So first things first, very carefully get our drill bit out. This drill bit is a 7/32 inch drill bit. Size is very important, because if you use the wrong size, the brass insert won't work. And child-proof packaging. Now, using this drill bit, we'll just open these holes up to the right size. All right, now that we got all those opened up, go ahead and get the brass inserts. Get them started in there gently, or not, however you want to do it. All right. Now some channel lock pliers. Put the nylon bushing underneath the insert and squeeze. All right, now with all the brass inserts properly seated, go ahead and using our drill and a 3/32 inch Allen wrench or Allen bit, hex key, whatever. I'll come in from the back side with one of the screws and open up the insert to get it properly set into the speaker pod. And make sure you don't cross thread the damn thing, because that'll cause all kinds of issues. Word? Because if you cross thread one, it'll break. Get that guy back in there. There we go. Now we are ready to install the speaker pod onto the door panel. Let's do that now. Okay. So now we have our door panel. This door panel was previously utilized for installing the old version of the speaker pod. So this one, a little bit different. Hopefully a little bit more better than you guys like it more. So first thing as always, and same thing as always, what we will do is make sure that we know how it fits, make sure we understand the snugness of it. Then using our marker, we're going to go ahead and start up here at the top. I'm going to mark 1, holding it down if you are comfortable. 4. Start with that. And then our drill, 3/16 inch drill bit. Drill in the center of those marks. All right, using the included hardware pack, we will go ahead and get some of these screws located. Pull that out of the way. Now we got the pod in the spot. And go ahead and hold her down where we want it and mark the rest of the holes. Okay, now we can go back and drill those holes. While we're at it, we're going to go ahead and mark this location out for where we're going to cut for the speaker. Right there. Tweeter may be okay. This one will probably have to cut. Let's just go ahead and mark it. Cut it out anyway. You know what? Let's go ahead and cut it all out. Looks great. All right, set the pod off to the side. Dremel with our roto zip bit. We'll go ahead and cut out the door pad. Cool! Remember to remove the factory sound deadening before you start cutting. Alright, got that done. Get the sanding drum, clean the hole up a little bit. Come back, drill the rest of our holes. Speaker pod. Screws and nuts. All right, now we just tighten all the screws up. Cool. Awesome. Now, if you want to, run some sound deadening on there all the way up. And yeah, go ahead and install the speakers. Like that. Yeah. Sorry, I like that. I like that a lot. You know what? Fuck it. Let's put the screws in. Since manufacturing process for these speakers covers up majority of the screw hole, it's easier to lift it up a little bit, get the screw through that goo. Time! That's it. Peace.